In this video, we are going to take the briefest of brief looks at Schoology, as I know that most of you probably ended up using it last year. So this is a very brief look reminder of Schoology, so stick with me here. First of all, I just went to the portal and I clicked on Schoology. When you click up here in courses, you should see your courses. This is what I teach, so I see my courses. So when you click on something, for example, if you go to the Explorers page, you will notice that there are different links and things. If you see a chain, that means it's a direct link, and when you click on it, you will be brought to an actual web page or document. If you see that there is a folder and you click on it, that means that inside of that folder are materials linked to the name of that folder. If you see an issue bin, this right here, is probably going to take me to a information of what it is, as well as how you can report if there is some bullying things going on. And if you click down here, this right here, these two bubbles means that there is a discussion board. And so it says fake, don't do this, because I don't want you to do this one. But it will tell you usually right here what it is that you're going to write about. You will type your comment. Let's see, what is super normal about me is that I like to dip like breadsticks in pizza sauce and ranch dressing. And I dip my french fries in honey instead of ketchup, and ranch if I have that as well. Apparently I like ranch. So I would type that here, pizza dip. That's all I'm going to write down right now because I just want to show you. And my threads will start here. You can click reply and you can say, gross, pizza dip in ranch is gross. And you'll be able to go from there. You wouldn't say gross to somebody because that's not very nice, but maybe you disagree with pizza dip and that's okay. Over on the right-hand side, these two buttons right here, if you have a course like Mr. Harvey's course, will default you automatically to the updates. That's where you may see a message on the page here. For his work, you will click into materials. So to find your work, you got to make sure that you are in materials. Anything else in here that you really need to know? I don't think so. If you want to change your picture, it's the last thing I can really think about. If you click on your name and go to your profile, as soon as your picture pops up here, you can click edit picture, and they have some ones that you can just access one of the little avatars, or if you have a photo that is on your computer, or you love puppies and want to get a puppy picture, or whatever it is that you want, you can add that through that particular location. So courses is your main deal. You're going to love the Explorers page, so make sure you see all the things there as well as all of your courses. Make sure that you should have 9 courses listed there. If you're missing something, let us know so that we can get you squared away. So that is your very, 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 very basic Schoology review that took you 3 minutes to watch. Have a great day.